Hello and welcome to this tutorial. I'm Steve from Mills Motion, the place to go to discover how to grow your business with online video. And in this video, I want to show you how you can edit your own promotional video using just your smartphone. Now there is an app that we'll be using, it is free to download from the App Store, and it is called WeVideo. Now I like this app because it works on both iOS and Android devices, so we're all included in this tutorial. Now it's a free download from the App Store. Okay, so once you've downloaded the WeVideo app, it'll look like this. Click on it and we'll open it up. Your one, if you've just started it, will be blank here. This is my lineup of different projects that I've started. This one over here, that's the one which you've probably seen if you've seen the promotional video that I made. I'm going to show you how I created that. So we're going to create a new project. So to do that, we'll click on the Create button up in the top right hand corner here. Fantastic. And now we have a blank slate. It starts off with one square there, and that gives us the option to put in an introductory title. I didn't use that and I don't want to use that. So to delete that, just swipe that title to the left and click on that rubbish bin, which is all red. Now that gets rid of that title. That's the same way that we delete any pieces of footage that we add and don't want in our video. So to bring in all the footage for our promotional video, we'll click on that blue plus circle down the bottom there. And then I'm going to click on device media. You can click on the camera and record something, but I'm going to click on device media and then go to my pre-recorded videos. And now once we're in here, we go through and click on all the videos that we want to use in our promotional video. So I've got one here, that's one of a car bumper. I think there's one here, and then I've got a bunch of them down here. I've taken a lot of footage, so it's hard trying to remember which ones were the good ones and which ones weren't the good ones. So these are all the bits of footage that I've taken. And once we've got all the pieces that we want to add to our promotional video, they're all ticked blue. Click on the Done button, and here we go. So we've now got it in our timeline. So the way this works is the videos that are at the top of this timeline, that gets played first in our final edit and final playback. So to reorder that, I want to bring this footage up to the top. Just click on it, hold it down, and then drag it either up or down, and then let go. Fantastic. So I'm just going to do a quick reorder of all of my footage. So I've got the stuff that I want at the start, and the bits that I want later, put later in the video. So I like all of these. I like all of these bits of footage, so I'm going to drag them up to the top. I like that one too. Yep, I can go there. Yep, I like that one. Okay, so now that you've got your footage in order, what we want to do is we want to only cut out the best pieces of our footage. If I click on any clip, it'll open up all of the different parameters that we can edit of that clip. So I'm going to click on this first one. It's a nice looking clip, but it's 30 seconds long. I only want 3 seconds of that clip. So we tap on that, and this brings up our ability to edit down and only keep the best bits of this video. So to do that, we can play back this video by clicking there and hit the play button, and we can see what's happening in that video. And to edit the parts that we want and only keep the bits that we want, we use this bar down the bottom here. So we bring in these arrows. There was a nice bit of movement right at the start here, so I'm going to just drag around those parts of the video. There we go. Drag that bit out a little bit. So as you can see, I've only selected a portion of this clip that I want to appear in the final video. Now down here we've also got some other things that can help us edit our video. I've got a volume control. I'm going to push that all the way down because I don't want any of that volume. We've also got the ability to rotate our video, to flip our video, and to adjust the speed. And that's a really cool feature which not a lot of programs on our phones have. But I'm not going to use that right now. So once we've got the part of the video that we like, and the clip is as long as we like, and we've got the right bit, we can play back and confirm that it looks good, and then we'll click on the Done button. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go through all of these clips and only select the parts that I want to appear in my final video. I'll put this in fast forward so that you don't have to waste all of your time watching me do this edit, but it's really easy to do. So I'll walk you through it one more time. You tap on the clip, then you use these blue bars, beautiful, what a shot, to just select the part of the video that you want. Okay, so now we've got the part that we want. We hit that play button to double check that it looks good. Beautiful. And now I'm just going to decrease all that volume, click the done button. Fantastic. So I'm going to quickly go through and do that to all of these clips. Okay, there we have it. That took me maybe 5 minutes just to cut out the best parts of each one of those videos. So now that we've done that, now it's time for us to think about adding some titles to our video, as well as some transitions, some music, and a voiceover finally. So let's start off with adding our transitions and then our titles. So step one for adding some transitions. First, I want to utilize one of the theme features in this app. And that's one of the coolest features in this app. It allows you to pick a theme and it will automatically generate some titles and music and transitions and colors and things which matches a certain tone or theme that you might be going for in your video. So to do that, we click on this magic wand over here, and this will give us our lineup of different themes and looks and feels that we can add to our video. And this will allow us to it will automatically generate titles and transitions as well as music to match that theme, that look and feel of the video, which is a really cool feature. I really like it. So the one which I used for my video was Black Splash. Click on that and then hit the done button. Now you'll notice that in between each one of our clips, there's now a square, which is a multicolored square with a line through the middle, that there. That represents our transition. So I'll show you what our transition looks like in a moment. I don't want transitions to be in between each part of my clip, each clip like it's laid out. So you can remove them by just double clicking on them. And you can also put them back by just double clicking on them, which is really cool. So I'm going to go through and remove most of them, but I'll show you what they look like. The other thing that selecting that theme has done is it's automatically added some music to my video which matches that theme. Again, I don't like the music, so I'm going to pick something else, but you can just use it straight out of the package, out of the theme there. So let's have a quick look at what our video looks like so far. So as you can see there, that effect in between clips is what the transitions are, and each theme has its own type of transition. Okay, and as you can see, it's also added some music. I'm not a fan of that music, so I'm going to pick something else, and I'm also going to get rid of those transitions because I don't want them in between each one of my clips. Okay, so I'm going to go through and get rid of all of those transitions by double tapping on them. You can keep them there if you like them, and you can leave them in any place, whoops, that you want. Okay, so now we've got the option to change the backing music that's behind our video, and you can do that by clicking on that music icon at the top there. And it already has a library of music that you can use. You can also use songs from on your device. I'm going to use one of their royalty-free ones to make sure that it's fine for us to use. Let's just click something inspirational. That sounds good. Beautiful. So to add that to your video and replace the existing one, click on the plus icon there next to that tune. Fantastic. As you can see, it's changed what was down the bottom there. To change the overall volume of that piece of that backing track, just click on that, and that will let us increase and decrease the volume. And you can also select the start time, at what point in that tune that you want that tune to start. And you can also watch it back to see how it looks. So already our promotional video is really starting to take shape. So I'm really, really happy with how this is looking. Fantastic. So once we're happy with that, we've got our tune selected, we've adjusted the volume and the start time, we'll click on the done button. And this brings us back to our timeline. Now the final part is to record our voiceover. I'm not going to do that now, but if you want to record your voiceover, you click on the microphone icon at the top there. It's really, really intuitive. This brings you up with a very, very straightforward layout for recording your voiceover. The way that it lays it out, it's best to try and do your voiceover in one go because you can't really align where your voiceover is. You just need to say and speak your voiceover whilst the video is playing, and just try and get that in time as you say it. So it might take a few goes, but it is very intuitive and very straightforward. So to record that voiceover, we just click on that big microphone icon down the bottom here. Give you a little countdown. Hello, and this is the voiceover. And then we can give that a playback up the top here. Oh, there we go. Let's hit the play button. There we are. Hello, and this is the voiceover. There you go. So if you want to delete and try again with your voiceover, there's a little bin button over the right here. So click on that and then delete and then go from the top. Lots and lots of fun. So there you have it. Finally, adding the text to your video. So you can add your intro title by tapping on that square there. I'm not going to do that. I want to add the text to this video at the very end. I want to add the name of the tool. So we click on the piece of video that you want to add your text to. Fantastic. And then click on the text button up the top there. And then click on the add text button down here. Fantastic. And now it's given us a little square with the opportunity to add some text to it. And now down the bottom here, we've got tools for adjusting and formatting our text. So first, let's change the background color. I want to get rid of that big chunky background. There we go. All gone. You can do that by adjusting the opacity. And now I want to adjust the size of my text. Let's increase that by clicking on that A button there and increasing that up. Oh, much, much better. Fantastic. You can also change the font. That's what I used. And then you can also adjust our text box, center it, and finally adjust what's inside of the text. Plastic welder. Fantastic, and I'll align that just there. Click on the done button when we're happy with it. Finally, you can set the start and end time of your text. So if you just want your text to show up for part of your clip, then you use this blue box here to represent where that will start and finish on your clip. So there we go. And then to watch back our video, you click on that arrow up here, and we can watch back our promotional video. So if you're happy with how your promotional video looks, then it's time to upload your promotional video to YouTube and to share your promotional video. So to share your promotional video and to upload it to the interweb, you click on this arrow on the top right hand side over here, and then you've got the option to either save it to your camera roll, to your photo sections on your phone, and then upload it to the internet from there, or you can share through WeVideo. That's if you've got your WeVideo account connected to YouTube or to Facebook or something like that. I haven't got mine connected yet, so I just saved mine to my camera roll and then I uploaded to YouTube from there. Okay, so there's one other feature about this WeVideo app that I want to mention, and it's one of the main reasons that I recommend using it, and that is up in the top right hand corner next to the top arrow for exporting. You can see there's the circular arrows. That button there, if you click on it, it will sync your video that you've edited to the WeVideo platform, which you can use on your computer. So that means that you can make a basic edit on your phone and then jump on your computer where you have even more advanced features. Things such as multi-layer editing, so you can add cutaways as well as more control over your audio and voiceovers and text and things like that. So if at any point you feel like the app is limiting you in what you want to create, you do still have the option to sync to your computer and utilize the more advanced editing features there. It also opens up the opportunity to outsource your video editing. So in theory, you could shoot your video on your phone, use the WeVideo app to select the parts of the videos that you would like to appear in your final project, and then you could sync it to the computer where someone from anywhere in the world can edit your video for you using the WeVideo platform. It's all very organized and it's all in one place. And that way, if you don't have the time to do the video editing yourself, you can quite easily outsource that to someone else. And if you would like help editing your video, if you would like someone to edit it for you, if you'd like to outsource it to someone, you're welcome to contact me at Mills Motion. I do offer video editing services, and this is one way that we can do that using the WeVideo platform to keep things really organized. So there you have it. That's how you edit your promotional video from on your smartphone. It's really easy to do. I mean, this tutorial took me around 20 minutes all up. Really, the bulk of the editing only took about 5 minutes to do that bulk of the editing, and then it's just playing around with the audio, their voice recording, and then just doing some fine tweaking. Lots and lots of fun, and the finished product, as you can see, I've got it embedded in the webpage just below this video, looks really, really great. If you haven't already watched it yet, I've got a tutorial that I made for the folks at the Equid store platform, which shows you how to film really nice product shots using just your smartphone. So if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments section below. I really love hearing from you guys, and I'm genuinely interested in helping you to create your own promotional videos and to grow your business using online video. So I'm Steve from Mills Motion, the place to go to grow your business with online video. Thank you so much for watching, and all the best creating your own promotional video. I'll see you next time.